here, select this, so make sure this is selected. Out of set well. So we continue. We are done with this part. We go on the cost sheet. We're having this as our cost sheet. Then we come to this. So you choose the current depth. Our current depth we are going to put in 2,500. How many days? So we spend 300 days. So you can say project end of well, and we are going to click on calculate. So I'll come here and I'll click on this so that it can calculate for me. So the costs here are not showing, meaning that there's something we missed out. We are going to come back here and we check all these one by one. So click here, see if there is information that I have not added in. Click here and then go down to this. There's no information I have not put in. Come here and then I click on tripping, drive, and I put in all the information. Come here, click on this. Yeah, it is showing me that I put in all the information. So I'll check with this also, see whether I actually put in all the required information. Yeah, it is showing me. Okay, I think I'm seeing that there's no information that is lacking according to this. So I'll go to this part. I see in the costs, the tangible costs, whether you put in all the information required. So I'll come here, okay, click on this, put in the information required. So this was the part where you choose which one. Is it for all unplanned or this end of phase? So I come in here. This is the part that is missing out. All unplanned. I come to this, same thing. So I'm just feeding this randomly so that we can finish up with this module. So let me leave the intangibles and I come back to these ones, the tangibles. I put in conductor casing. I can say like it's surface casing, same thing. Get intermediate casing. I also add get production casing. I get add so I get the wellhead. remember to save your work, you can click on Control S, or you can come here, save up your work. So we come this side and we check through our costs.